When moving factory, concentrate on reducing the opportunities of crime. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. There are three elements that create the perfect opportunity for crime. They are opportunity, the lack of a capable guardian, and lastly, the motivated offender. During the moving process, we have very little control over the motivations of the offender. Likewise, our ability to protect our elements and our business and our assets are greatly reduced. Therefore, we should concentrate on the opportunities where crime occurs. When moving, ensure you conduct a thorough risk assessment prior to the move, identifying all your assets, particularly your high-value assets. Ensure you use a reputable mover to move your things from point A to point B, and ensure parts are checked onto transport and then off again at the far end, and ensure they are stored in a secure location, and ensure there is supervision along the whole of that transport process. That way you're going to reduce the opportunities of crime. If you would like to know more, why not download our guide, or better still, come along to our upcoming webinar.